Afternoon. I am Pankaj Akula, CEO of Aerospace. We are a drone manufacturing company based out of Navi Mumbai in India. We are a fully indigenous design, development and engineering company who manufacture drones, drone cameras and drone software. So here today we are presenting the unmanned combat aerial vehicle, the Archer B8. So the aircraft has capability to host around 8 different types of grenades or mortar bombs, and this can travel around 15 kilometers, and this has an endurance of more than 40 minutes. So this is the next generation tool, very low cost, optimally priced in the hands of the soldier for giving tactical aerial superiority. So this is a platform which can be effectively used not only to disperse one particular type of ammunition, but this can take over all the different types of impact ammunition that is available with the forces today. In addition to this, these kind of platforms, unmanned combat aerial vehicles, are the ones which will empower the soldiers in terms of their key technological superiority with regard to the various wars that are happening. As we have seen, the drones have become the most indispensable tool in terms of combat today. So added to this, we also have a capability to design and develop all types of aircraft, anything from 250 grams until 5 tons for variety of requirements. So we hope these tools and systems are going to empower our soldier with various tactical advantages at very low cost and give superiority at all times. Thank you.